for a large storm and a fight. Nobody has to understand, just your heart and your dance can't wash away who I am. I was never meant to be perfect, made from hate, but I chose to love the true American in me. And just like that, the sun is out again, shining on me as it always has. Another day well spent, connecting to who